This short video will demonstrate some of the features of the Clipboard History tool, part of the Parallels Toolbox for Mac. This third video shows the Clipboard History tool working with the iPad. Here is the current contents of the Clipboard History on my MacBook Pro. There are pieces of text and well as graphics and icons that I have used in the last month. Here is my iPad Pro with a PowerPoint presentation open. This iPad is on the same network as my MacBook Pro and I have signed into iCloud on this iPad with my Apple ID, and enabled handoff. Now I will copy some text from this PowerPoint presentation. This text will be copied to the clipboard on the iPad, but Apple handoff will make this text available on my MacBook Pro. The Clipboard History tool will see this new contents on the clipboard and will copy it into my history. I want to paste this text into the Word document that is open on my MacBook Pro. I will click in the Word document where I want this text to be pasted. All I need to do in order to paste this text is to double-click on the text in the Clipboard History window. Notice that the font, text size, and text color are the same as they were on the iPad. The Clipboard History tool preserves text styles. Pasting graphics from the Clipboard History window works the same way, just double-click on the graphic you want to paste into the document. I hope you have seen how useful the Clipboard History tool is. Get a 7-day trial of Parallels Toolbox for Mac and try out the Clipboard History tool for yourself. Thanks for watching.